My name's Kelly McGovern. I weighed 397 pounds and I've lost 107 pounds. My struggle has been lifelong. All of my adult life, since high school, tried tons of diets. Some of them were pretty effective, but I could never keep it off. Always regained the weight and then some. On my way back from a fishing trip with my pastor, it required that we climb a pretty, it wasn't a tall hill, but it was kind of a steep grade. And I noticed by the time I was about 2/3 the way up that hill, I was completely out of breath. I could feel my heart pounding. At the age that I was at, my mid-40s, I just shouldn't be experiencing those things. And I knew that I had to do something, or one of these days I'd have a heart attack. Part of that decision is I went to my family doctor, who had already been discussing weight loss with, and he knew that I had really been struggling. And he said, you know, you really need to go see a specialist about this, and he recommended Dr. Cernero. After I discussed it with Dr. Cernero, we both were in agreement that the gastric sleeve was probably my best option. And you know, he left the decision up to me. He didn't make that decision, but he gave me all the facts and then let me decide. Having lost 100 pounds here in probably about 8 months, those are some pretty nice results. Well, I tell you, before, when it was quite a struggle, and I didn't spend much time outside. And now that I've lost the weight, well, I can get outside and enjoy myself, and my garden and yard look lots better now than they did a few years ago. I do agree that weight loss surgery does provide hope. It did a lot for me. I certainly wasn't doing what I enjoyed in life, and life's a lot funner now than it was before.